actually look cute.
Hello vlog that my baby's not gonna make.
This is attempt number 529 at making a vlog. Look how cute my socks are.
I got them for her.
I know, they're so cute. You gotta go to the gym.
I know.
Gotta go to the gym.
No, for real. It's getting soft again.
What are you doing?
I don't know what that means.
We were running for like a minute.
30 seconds.
It was a minute, babe. Give yourself more credit. This is where we're gonna eat afterward. A little patio. Burrito, quesadilla, banana latte, and lavender. So we're getting ready to go to the beach. We decided to just hang out by the beach instead of going to Carlsbad because it's like noon and the sun's gonna be really harsh. So yeah. This Airbnb also came with an umbrella and 2 blankets and some chairs too. It's really neat. We're just anchoring our umbrella right now.
My vlog that's not gonna get made.
I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened to the sun, but it's gone, and it's yet again really cloudy right now. But I mean, it's right there. The sun is back out. Cloudy, cloudy. Whoop, whoop. we came here for these like wildflowers that's supposed to be like everywhere, but it's only this patch now, so it's not everywhere anymore. But we still got some cute pictures. See, just that one patch left. It's supposed to be everywhere. We are currently in Little Italy right now. This is where we're at, Little Italy. So we're going to this place called, what is it?
Cloak and Petal.
Cloak and Petal.
Liz,
and it's
this better be good.
It's a recommendation from one of our coworkers.
It better be good.
So hopefully it's good. Wow. Look at this big chair, guys. Come and take a picture
I've
here.
never seen a giant chair before.
Check. Cardigan, $5 from Goodwill. This is from Urban. This is a rock. It's not a rock actually. It's a shell that Mark got me when we first went to the Olympic Peninsula in Washington, and I made it into a shell. And then this is also Urban, and these socks were from this cute little boutique in Pasadena. Was it Glendale? Pasadena? I forgot. And then Mark's fit.
Good check. All right, what's up, guys? This is a bolo tie. This is $55 at this thrift shop in Joshua Tree. This is
So
Uniqlo, the uniform. It's $30. Arizom tee. These are the pants that I got hemmed actually at Uniqlo in Seattle.
Nice,
I think it was like $10, but this was probably $40 pants. Socks from
REI. These are actually hiking
also in
socks.
Seattle. Carabiner with a little pochita. My girlfriend got this for me.
I'm a little girlfriend.
And then finally the best piece. This is my Songo work navy blue work shirt.
I love it. I love it.
I got it at the Rose Bowl flea market. This was $100, I think.
Oh, I thought it was 70.
I don't know.
You forgot.
But it's my favorite item I have.